This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, November 2nd, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a trough axis moving well east of the state. Still have a northwesterly flow aloft, and that's going to keep the temperatures a little cooler today with highs in the upper 40s north and east to mid-50s south and west with mainly sunny skies. A little bit of snow and rain activity off in the Great Lakes, and a frontal system moving through Florida. Another system off in the Pacific Northwest will be moving into the Rockies here on Sunday. That's going to bring the winds around here back out of the south. That'll boost temperatures into the 50s to lower 60s across the state. It'll be quite breezy as well with mainly sunny skies. As we head into Monday, the first part of the system will be moving in, and this could bring a little bit of rain activity, mainly about north of Interstate 80. Better rain chances look to be up in Minnesota and Wisconsin. And then as that system moves to the north and east, a new system comes in from the south and west. This will be one connected with a possible tropical storm in the eastern Pacific. And that'll merge together into a system that'll come through late Tuesday night into the early part of Wednesday with a lot of rain. And then it gets drastically cooler here Wednesday as temperatures will drop likely back into the 40s to low 50s on Wednesday with the rain activity off to our south and east. Then the cool weather looks to remain the case here on Thursday with highs probably back to where they are right now here today with highs in the 40s to low to mid 50s from northeast to south and west. But then that doesn't last very long as then the high pressure moves off to the east, the winds turn back to the south again. That's going to boost the temperatures back into the 50s to near 60 again here on Friday ahead of another storm system that'll be coming in from the west. This one's not as potent as the one later this coming week, but you can see a week from today we still have a southwesterly flow, a 588 ridge over Florida, Cuba, and the Bahamas. And with that, that could bring a system close by that could bring a little bit of activity mainly to our north, but a lot of cool air coming in from the north and west will be the main story as we head into the following weekend or so with some snow up in the Dakotas and Montana. A couple days after that on November the 13th, 588 ridge over the Gulf of Mexico. Pretty much a zonal flow from the Rockies east, a bit of a trough axis over the west with some energy in California. And with that, we'll have some rainy, showery kind of activity, some better rains well off to our east, some rain and mountain snow in the west, and seasonal temperatures in the 50s or so around here. And then as we head to the end of the forecast on November the 17th, we have a zonal flow clear across the country, some energy in the Great Lakes, some energy also in the Pacific Northwest. And with this pattern, it's going to be a quick moving pattern with storm systems quickly moving through. We'll have a little bit of rain and a little bit of snow to our east, a little bit of rain and mountain snow off to our west, and it looks like temperatures will be boosting up back into the 50s again with southwesterly winds. Satellite image from last evening, we had some low and mid-level clouds over the state last evening. We had a frontal system moving off the east coast with some showers and a few thunderstorms, and a new system moving into the Pacific Northwest with some rain and mountain snow there. And we talk about mountain snow, the watch warning map shows a few winter weather issues in the Pacific Northwest, especially in the Cascades. Otherwise, a few wind advisories in the Northwest and northern Maine, and a few frost and freeze advisories intermixed as well. Looking at the QPF chart, this is rainfall or snowfall or precipitation through Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock. This shows that storm at midweek this coming week could be quite extensive with maybe an inch plus rain across the area.